What's up, YouTubers? It's Garrett here. Today I'm going to be singing to Hear the Engines Coming with Thomas and Friends. Hope you enjoy.
Tiki-taka, brick-a-brack, shake, shake, don't be late. Taka-taka, one another, puffa, puffa, chuff, chuff. Tiki-taka, brick-a-brack, shake, shake, don't be late. Taka-taka, one another, puffa, puffa, chuff, chuff. Tiki-taka, brick-a-brack, shake, shake, don't be late. Taka-taka, one another, puffa, puffa, chuff, chuff.
Boiling, shuffing, buffing along, shove and shoving. Whistle blowing that song over so dull. Working under the sun, seeing them chuffing, buffing, bubbling, boiling, shuffing, shuffing, rocking and rolling. Round gonna quick, rumble and shake, hear the engines coming. Everybody stop, everybody wait, hear the engines coming. Round gonna quick, rumble and shake, hear the engines coming. Everybody stop, everybody wait, hear the engines coming.
Shake, shake, don't be late. Taka-taka, one another, puffa, puffa, chuff,
Edward
chuff.
Percy, Emily, Zoe, and James, Gordon, Henry. Give me one more name, shout out Thomas. Let me say it again, see him chopping, buffing, bubbling, boiling, shuffling, shuffling, rocking and rolling. Round and quick, rumble and shake, hear the engines coming. Everybody stop, everybody wait, hear the engines coming. Round and quick, rumble and shake, hear the engines coming. Everybody stop, everybody wait, hear the engines coming. Round and quick, rumble and shake, hear the engines coming. Everybody stop, everybody wait, hear the engines coming. Round and quick, rumble and shake, hear the engines coming. Everybody stop, everybody wait, hear the engines coming. Hear the engines coming. Hear the engines coming.
Hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more. Bye!